Matcha Crypto Swap Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Matcha are in the description below. In this video, we're reviewing Matcha, a decentralized exchange, DEX aggregator built by 0x that helps users find the best token swap rates across multiple liquidity sources. Unlike swapping directly on a single DEX like Uniswap or SushiSwap, Matcha searches multiple exchanges simultaneously, ensuring traders get the lowest prices with the least slippage. One of Matcha's standout features is gas optimization and smart order routing. The platform splits orders across different liquidity pools, minimizing costs while maximizing efficiency. This is especially beneficial for traders making large swaps, as Matcha automatically finds the most cost-effective path to execute a trade. Additionally, Matcha doesn't charge extra trading fees, unlike some competitors, making it a more affordable option. Another major advantage is Matcha's limit order functionality. Unlike traditional automated market makers, AMMs, that execute trades instantly at market price, Matcha allows users to set specific buy or sell prices, executing trades only when their desired price is reached. This feature gives traders greater control and reduces risks associated with market volatility. Security is also a strong point. Matcha is non-custodial, meaning users never need to deposit funds or trust a third party with their assets. All transactions happen directly through their wallets, ensuring full control and security over assets at all times. The platform supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, and more, making it a great choice for multi-chain traders. For ease of use, Matcha features a simple, beginner-friendly interface, making it one of the best DEX aggregators for both new and experienced DeFi users. It offers transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and traders can even avoid Ethereum gas fees by using Matcha's gasless trading for select token pairs. Overall, Matcha is an excellent choice for anyone looking to optimize crypto swaps with better prices, reduced slippage, and smart order execution. Whether you're a casual trader or a professional, Matcha provides a seamless and secure experience. Check out the links in the description to start using Matcha today.